How to use Microsoft Outlook in Microsoft 365. Tired of messy inbox? Outlook in Microsoft 365 helps you organize emails, manage your calendar, and stay on top of tasks all in one place. Let's see how to master the essential to streamline your daily flow. Open Outlook online at work.com. Then over there you can see creates new message or new mail. If you tap on it, now you can write whom you want to send, and then add subject, and then tap on send. Here you can see CC, BCC, whom you want to do CC and whom you want to do. Like that you can add. It's easier from Outlook. You can send emails easily rather than sending emails from email or Gmail. It's much more easier to use.